I'm shopping for tile to go around the fireplace. This is beautiful. It's glass and special order. So when you order 0.8 feet of this, it's $40 for 0.8 feet. Oh, such a shame. So we'd probably order 20 feet, so that would be $800. It's really pretty, but I just can't see spending that. So that's one. Set it there for right now. This one is just as gorgeous. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can get the light to do it. It's iridescent. Oh, there we go. It really doesn't show up very well on camera. There we go. Isn't that gorgeous? That's glass as well. And this would be $800 too. Oh, it's so pretty. Those are gorgeous, but just a bit more than what I was hoping to spend. Sorry if I'm making you dizzy. But I found this, which I think is really cool. It says, in stock today. What they meant is, in stock in Chicago, 2.5 hours away, but not in my store. And this is what this one looks like. I think I'm gonna lean more towards this one. It will go really well with the floor tile that's going to be underneath the wood stove. So we're gonna have to chew on this for a little bit, and once it's installed, which will be probably in a month, we'll show you what we decided.